All right, y'all. What's up? Happy Throwback Thursday. And you already know we got to start and end the week strong. What you think? So I got my hands on this Coco Almond Chocolate Yogurt Remix by Oikos, 11 grams of protein. So, if it's going to, I need to know if it's going to hold me down till lunch or dinner. So let's see what the hype is all about. This ain't your basic yogurt. All right, look at that. Look at that. Can you see it? So it looks creamy, chocolate base with crispy almond chocolate pieces to mix in there. I guess it's like a treat and a boost in one. Protein to fuel your grind and keep you from hitting up that vending machine at 10 a.m. for some chips. What you think? So I guess you're supposed to, or maybe I'm supposed to go like this, y'all. Boo! Oh, see that? Stir it up. Stir it. So let me just mix this on up real quick. It's starting to look silky and it's crunchy and chocolatey. Like the spoon, they really did something with this. This should be interesting. Okay, this hits different. It's smooth. There's a crunch, and it's got that chocolatey goodness without feeling like heavy. Plus, like they said, it's packed with 11 grams of protein, which means it's holding you down after that quick morning workout or when you're on the go. No excuses. We don't stay on track this week and next week. See how I look? Yo, this Oikos remix, it's a whole vibe. It's probably perfect for a Monday pick me up to keep you on your grind. If you're about that balance, a little sweet treat, but still want to hit your goal, this is it. You can catch me grabbing one of these probably at the store next week. Y'all gotta try this. Try this one. Start your week off strong. Stay fueled and let's get it. This is a great snack for Mondays. Ain't so bad when you got snacks like this. You gotta try it. I want. Mm. This don't expire for a few more days, so it's been sitting in my fridge. Tag me if you try this. I want to know what you think. Tag me if you go and try this. Subscribe. Bye.